Although SOLIDWORKS is widely known as a solid modeler, it offers a rich set of surface design tools as well. If you've never worked with surfaces, let me try to explain very simply what a surface is. Think of a solid cube. A cube, as you know, has 6 faces. These serve a very important purpose. They separate the inside of the cube from the outside of the cube. Each of these faces is a surface, an infinitely thin piece of geometry that acts as a boundary in 3-dimensional space. Surfaces can be any shape, from simple planar shapes like the side of a cube, or very complex shapes such as the ergonomic shape of your mouse. You may not be aware of this, but if you've modeled any solid body in SOLIDWORKS, you've already used surfaces. You see, when you create a solid feature such as an extruded boss or a sweep, SOLIDWORKS creates a set of features that enclose a volume. If the enclosure is airtight, everything inside the surfaces is considered a solid body. So if SOLIDWORKS is already dealing with surfaces behind the scenes and automatically generating solids, why would you want to bother with surfaces? Well, the simple answer is that surfaces offer you flexibility as a designer. Instead of defining an entire airtight solid body at once, surfaces allow you the control of designing a single face at a time. In the next several lessons, we'll take a look at how to generate surfaces using a variety of tools and how to turn those surfaces into solids. We'll also see how surfaces can be thickened into solids and even be used to create cuts.